How to fix Facebook comment not showing or loading. Cache clear, app update, and feed fix. Fix 1. Check your internet connection. First of all, you have to turn off your mobile data and Wi Fi. Then you have to wait for 10 seconds. And again, you have to turn it on. Open your Facebook app and refresh the post. Fix 2. Refresh the app or browser. On your mobile, you have to pull down on the feed to refresh in the app, or you can hit reload or refresh button in your browser. On your desktop, you have to press Ctrl plus R on Windows or Command plus R on Mac. Fix 3. Update the Facebook app. For that, you have to open your Google Play Store or App Store on your phone. Then there you can see a search option. There you have to search for Facebook. If update button is available, you have to tap on it and update it. Once that is done, you have to reopen the app again. Fix 4. Clear Facebook app cache. Open your phone setting, then tap on apps or app management. Then there you have to select Facebook, then tap and open storage. There you can see a option called clear cache. You have to tap on it. Once that is cleared, you have to restart your phone. Fix 5. Log out or log back in. You have to tap on menu option, then scroll down. You can see a option called logout. You have to log out, then wait for 30 seconds, and again you have to log in back. Then open the post and check the command. Fix 6. Check command privacy setting. The post owner may have restricted commands. There you can see options like commands turned off, only friends can command, limited commands. In this case, command won't show for everyone. So these are all the fix which resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.